Hello people, so today we'll be solving LeetCode daily question, that is 2641 cousins in a binary tree 2. And in this we'll be given the root of a binary tree and we have to replace the value of each node in the tree with the same of all of its cousins values. And two nodes of a binary tree are cousins if they have the same depth with different parents. Again, we have to return the root of the modified tree, and we have to note that the depth of node is number of edges in the path from the root node to it. Sorry. Okay, so for example, 1 we are having as 5, 4, 9, 1, 10, and 7. So basically, 5 is not having any parent, so the value will be changed to 0. 4 is having 4 and 9, we cannot change the value because they are having the same parent, they are not cousins. But 1 is having a cousin which is 7. 10 is also having a cousin which is 7, but 7 is having two cousins which are 1 and 10. So we'll sum them up and so our node becomes 11. Okay, so basically we need to, for every level, the nodes which don't have the same parent, we have to update their value with their cousins some value. Okay, so for that what we'll be doing is we'll be doing a bfest of ourselves. Okay, so let's have a queue of tree node bfest, that is equal to a new linked list. Okay, now let's have the previous sum, or let's say previous value, that is currently equal to root dot value. And now what we'll be doing is I'll be adding it to the queue, so bfs dot add the root node, and then while not bfs dot is empty, I'll be getting the size basically for the current level and size, so that is equal to, oh sorry, bfs dot size, the current sum, so that is initially it's a 0, and then while size minus minus is greater than 0, I'll be polling of the first node, so tree node that is equal to bfs dot pool, and then I'll be updating my let's have the cousin sum cousin, so that is equal to initially 0, and I'll be, oh let's update over here only. I'll be using that if node dot left is not equal to null, I'll be adding the value for it into my cousin sum. Oh sorry, and then I'll be adding node dot left dot val, otherwise 0 plus. Similarly for the right child as well, I'll just copy it from here, control C, control V, and node dot right dot val. Okay, and after that again I'll be checking that if node, oh it would have been a better case, let's just make it a better, so int cousin that is equal to 0, and if node dot left is not equal to null, what I'll be doing is okay, I guess I need the values before and only, I'll be doing cousin plus equal to, just paste this, yeah, and then cousin plus equal to node dot right dot val. Sorry, my bad. Right dot val. Ah, too many blunders. Okay, and then if node dot left is not equal to null, what I'll be doing is I'll be setting the node dot val will be equal to the cousin sum. Oh sorry, node dot left dot val will be equal to cousin sum, and then I'll be adding it to the queue bfs dot add node dot left. Similarly for the right child as well, so just copy and paste node dot right is not equal to null, and do this, right? And then what I'll be doing is I'll be updating my current sum will be equal to my cousin sum, and I'll be updating the node dot value equal to the previous val minus my current node dot val, and in here I'll be updating my current to previous, basically previous to current, and at the end I'll return the root node again, so return root. Now let's give it a run. I missed semicolon. all in. Now let's give it a run again. Right, it's accepted. Now let's submit it. And it works perfectly fine as well. Okay, so this is for today. Thank you for watching.